Hey, what's up team? I just wanted to go over the bear crawl moves with you guys real quick. We use it quite a bit in the HIIT workouts, so here's a couple of pointers. There's two things I want you to pay attention to. When you're sitting up or when you're moving, make sure your knees stay close to the ground. Okay, so a big mistake I see is people, we get tired and we lift our hips up and we end up doing this. No, no, no. We want to keep our knees close to the ground the whole time. The other thing to look for is what you're doing with your shoulder blades. We want to keep the shoulder blades away from each other. So as we get tired, our shoulder blades are naturally going to fall back towards each other like this. So it looks, here's what I want you to do. So shoulder blades away, and then you just keep pushing your hand into the ground as you're doing your steps. And then the mistake here is to let the shoulder blades like this kind of drop and then not really pushing the ground away. So keep that in mind, your knees and your shoulder blades.